You come on, it's Chase.
Go ahead.
Hi, it's Chase. And here's an outside. My mom is the one inside with Sadie.
What do you got there, Chase?
A new dog. For the first time we even get to see her. I'm getting closer.
Hi, Daisy.
It's time for Sadie. I meant Daisy. Oh.
For Daisy to go pee?
This
The
is her
easy
first
has-
time outside in the grass.
It's the first time. I'm going to zoom in a bit. My feet are cold.
All right, we'll bring her in.
I'm going in.
So when I got there, she was just kind of laying there.
I'm waiting in
Not,
for Dad.
but her
I'm
lady
waiting
son,
for my
who's
dad.
younger than him, she told him, go run around. Man, the second that kid moved,
The
jumped up and just chased him around everywhere. Meanwhile, they have a baby that was sitting in a little,
No
like
way,
a
this
little
is
hair
4 pounds.
chair
Oh,
thing
no.
on the counter. I look over, it's just sitting there on the counter. I'm gonna see
Daisy,
what's up in the car.
say hello to your new family.
Hi. Can you
And,
say hello to Sadie?
and our viewers can also see Sadie and Daisy.
Hi, Sadie. This is Daisy.
Daisy, Daisy already knows, like Sadie.
You think?
They like both of us. Each other. Here's Sadie and here's Daisy. They both.
Here she comes.
I hope Daisy's not coming to bite.
Oh, she won't bite.
Don't try to bite, Daisy. You should learn how to do more stuff.
Well, you have to teach her, right? She's your new puppy.
I will.
Okay.
It will be in this video. It already knows how to lick.
Yeah, and sniff and walk around. Look, this is her walk-in.
Oh, sit.
You want to get a pad out?
She can't sit yet.
There's
a bunch of them.
There's one in the bag. She gave us a couple. She gave us a little goodie bag.
Oh, Daisy can't
Including the
sit.
collar.
It's okay. She won't get you. She loves you. She wants to say hi.
She's trying to play with you, bud.
Oh, hi Daisy. And this is Daisy's crate.
She was on the wall. I think.
You should like and subscribe, or Daisy will trace you.
All right, why don't you turn that off so you can hold her?